be carnivores in attendance as well as other vegans, so this potato salad has got to work.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. We are making vegan potato salad. Now, potato salad is one of those side items that sometimes go unnoticed because so many people are very particular about their potato salad. You'll hear things like,
I don't eat everybody's potato salad.
Yo, who made this potato salad? I don't even know about it. It's too yellow. My mama potato salad ain't never that yellow.
so I took 7 potatoes and I actually baked mine. I know most people boil. It's a matter of preference. Only reason I did not boil my potatoes is because I don't like soft, mushy potato salad. I baked them at 350 for 1 hour, and then once they got room temperature, I simply peeled them. So far guys, I've cut up 5 out of the 7 potatoes, so I have 2 extra. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I did, but I'm not gonna put them in the bowl because I don't want to overflow. So if I saw I had extra brown here that I didn't peel before, I would cut off any tough pieces. Little potato slices. Hey. Okay, now it's time to make the mixture. As you know, potato salad is like a no stove type of joint, and I love me a no stove type of joint. Can you say joint on YouTube? As you guys know, there is egg in traditional potato salad. To mimic that texture or just have that extra little something in a potato salad as a replacement, we're going to be using chickpeas, aka garbanzo beans. These are from a company called Brandless. I love it. Everything on their website is $3. This actually came 3 for $3. I absolutely love this company's concept of not having a brand name for a cheaper price. So let's go ahead and open these, rinse and drain them, and then we're gonna mash these bad boys. Now we're not gonna mash these too hard. I don't want a chickpea or bean paste. I just wanted a softer texture. Now if you're about that life, you can pick out all these little snake skin pieces, but literally no one's gonna know what's in there, so it's up to you. Some of you know about this, some of you don't. This is black salt. It is what makes anything taste like egg. 1 tablespoon black salt, 1 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of relish, 3 tablespoons of mustard. Now let's whisk everything together. Now add in your potatoes. Although these are baked and not boiled, they're still tender, so we're not trying to make mashed potatoes, so be gentle.
Use your nice hands.
I know some of y'all are yelling at me right now. I forgot it. I forgot. You're gonna need 1/4 of an onion. Stop, you can stop.
Well, as soon as I started mixing, you was hollering.
That onion was pretty large, so I ended up just using a 1/2 cup of onion. Some pepper and salt. I definitely like it. I could add more of the black salt for an egg taste, but that's just me. So let's transfer it to the casserole dish and add paprika, because you know
They won't eat it without this, y'all. You gotta sprinkle paprika on top. They won't eat it without the, okay.
So bow, we're done, right? No. Me make basic potato salad? I laugh.
So I'm gonna leave this basic, but I'm gonna show you another way that you can spruce it up.
Introducing coconut bacon. Can y'all see that? Can y'all, oh my, it smells so. Alright, let me take you guys back to what I did. I used 1 cup of coconut flakes, 1/4 a cup of liquid aminos. You can also use soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a few dashes of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of oil, and of course some salt. You're gonna spread the coconut flakes on some parchment paper. You're gonna spread it out as thin as possible so it doesn't, because it will clump up very quickly. And you're gonna bake on 350 for just 10 minutes. Check it, guys, because it will start to caramelize very quickly. So check it, take it out, and voila, you got coconut bacon. So good, so good. I made a second batch already, so I'm just gonna mess this all kind of up. We gonna coconut bacon this bad boy. Ugh. Look at that, it already looks more exciting. People so scared of new stuff, I tell you. Now I know some of you guys are gonna ask how does it compare to real bacon, which I haven't had in 2 years now.
Ain't nothing gonna compare to pork bacon, not a nair, nothing.
But it's good. It's a maple sweet, I don't know. Now you do taste the coconut. If you don't like coconut, it's probably not a thing for you. Y'all better make this. There's nothing wrong with plain, nothing wrong with traditional. But if you're trying to up the ante, honey, if you want to get the party started.
Hi, I'm Donovan Williams, just a close acquaintance of Erin. I follow her just like you all do, and I've been begging her to be a taster for one of her segments. So here I am.
Fine.
Or traditional.
It's traditional.
Okay,
Paprika
yeah.
and everything. Right.
There's paprika on top, so far we good. So far, so good. Textured chunks. Oh yeah. That actually tastes like potato salad. That's good stuff.
This is Karen's potato salad.
Is that what we're calling it? Karen's potato salad?
I don't know if you guys know, it's an SNL joke. I don't know if y'all ever saw it.
So this is
So
Karen.
this has coconut bacon in it.
Coconut bacon?
Yeah.
Any particular reason?
Just to try something different. Just to make it, I don't know.
Here's the deal.
Okay.
The coconut bacon adds a variation flavor, which I like. You know, people who are used to traditional stuff may not like it. I like it.
Right.
Yeah, the coconut. Yeah, I mean, I like it. I would eat this too. You know, that's gonna be the common denominator. It's like, are you gonna eat it or are you not gonna eat it?
Right. As always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Peace.
I'm still eating on this, so you know it's gotta have some flavor.
He is still eating on it, yeah.
And by the way, I'm Southern, like South Carolina born, grew up between there and Georgia. My family has recipes for days for potato salad, so if I'm still eating on this, it's gotta be okay.